Hi friends, good evening. This is Dr. Prasenjit Ghosh, psychiatrist from Assam. We all are facing this deadly virus, coronavirus, and the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. We all know that pandemic usually has 2 to 3 waves. So this is not going to be the end of our fight against this coronavirus. We all are facing acute crisis in big cities, small cities, even in district towns of ICU beds, ventilators, and the injection remdesivir, very essential medicines, consumables, oxygen concentrators, and many other things. So, friends, we must have some strategy to fight this pandemic, how to prevent the infection, how to remain healthy both physically and mentally. Because, friends, mental health is as important as physical health. So, how to remain mentally healthy? Because we have seen due to this COVID pandemic, there are lots of reported cases of stress, anxiety, loneliness, depression, and even suicide. So I am giving you a formula called ABC formula of mental health. Under A, friends, acknowledge your feelings. If you are depressed, you must acknowledge it and you must share it with your significant family members or friends. You must be aware about how much real an information is. You must avoid speculation and rumors. You must adhere to hand hygiene and social distancing norms. You must arrange for multiple breaks in between your works in the form of either meditation, either yoga, or music. You must avoid spending excessive time in social media. So, this is all about A. Now, friend, what is about B? For B, you must be physically active. You must have a balanced diet. You must be a role model. You must break the chain of rumors. And you must have breaks in between your works. So, balance your work and your leisure. And what about C, friends? For C, I must say you must communicate with empathy. By empathy, I mean you must feel for others, what position they are, how they are facing this crisis. You must put yourself in their position and must understand their feelings, their emotions, their crisis. Number 2, care for the elderly, because elderly are one of the very much vulnerable group in this pandemic, because most of the elderly have multiple diseases like diabetes, kidney disease, malignancies, hypertension, and most of the times they are staying alone. So you must be caring and friendly towards the elderly. You must be careful about your hand hygiene. You must be careful about the social distancing norms. You must be careful about the right way of wearing the mask. Many people wear the mask here. Many people wear up to here. And the exact and most appropriate way is to cover both your nose and your mouth. You must chat and e-socialize, because friends, during this pandemic and lockdown, it is almost impossible to meet your friends physically. So you must socialize in the virtual platform. And friends, you must commit to daily physical exercise. And friends, I must say that all these problems of COVID-19 will go away if we can fight unitedly, we can follow the government directives, and we unitedly fight this monster called COVID-19 virus. Thank you and Jai Hind.